My name is Farhat Jahangir. I'm a founder and CEO of GSME. GSME is a global semiconductor solution provider. Our head office is in Silicon Valley. Other offices in US are in Arizona. Then we have presence in Taiwan, Vietnam, and Oman and Pakistan. Oman and Pakistan offices work together, and our focus in the Pakistan office is very different, a little bit unique compared to what other services have been provided from Pakistan since last few years. Our focus is mainly in full chip design and verification, end-to-end design capability, from architecture all the way to the end. Smaller team, not very big, around 20 engineers residing in Islamabad, and of course, with a huge focus to grow that team. Currently, Pakistan's semiconductor industries state the condition that we are in right now. More focus of the Pakistani companies that we have there today are in design verification area. Design verification, and also we call it PD or physical design, or back end of the design. So there are two aspects of design: front end design, which is architecture, all the way to the RTL or DFT insertion, and from there all the way to the GDS2 or to set that design for manufacturing is called back end design. The majority of the focus in Pakistan is back end design, not the front end. What we are working on, along with few companies like Dreambig is another company, and Accelerium is doing some sort of front-end activities also in Pakistan. That is the number one, the most important activity that we can inject or bring into Pakistan, mean full chip design capability. There is some work going on, but not privately, not in the industrial level, more in the government level, which is cannot be commercialized today. But we are focusing, bringing some industry from outside to make sure we can inject that. Government level, there are a lot of effort going on in talent development since last almost a year plus. But my take on that one, that will be, if we are going to produce thousands of engineers, who's going to be bringing jobs for that? We did some pilot program in Oman. It worked very successfully. We are doing another one in Saudi Arabia now, which is under the umbrella of GSME, which is inshallah will be very successful, which is you train and then you hire them. Guaranteed job training, right? So this is the area that we think we need to focus in Pakistan. Otherwise, thousands of engineers we can train. Where are we going to get jobs? They can be discouraged eventually if there is jobs are not available. Even in GCC, I am here in GCC since since 2021. And I don't see in next 3, 4, 5 years, we will have thousands of jobs there. But the focus, on the other hand, can be, or we can start thinking about that bring in some sort of manufacturing capability in Pakistan. Maybe very early stage manufacturing capability, building on top of what some other institutes already have, like International Islamic University have very decent material processing fabrication facility there. They do implant, they do etching and everything. I visited it, very impressive. We can upgrade it to the next level. We can bring in some sensor-based capability, some MEMS-based capability there, and we can also bring in some sort of initial assembly, we call OSAT, assembly and test capability. We are working on towards that one in Oman right now. Oman, when I came in here, first their question was, can you bring in fabrication and OSAT? I said, no, let's build ecosystem first. Now, alhamdulillah, we have built ecosystem. We are going to the next stage, spending a few $100 million to bring in an OSAT facility, or we call it OSAT to fabrication bridging facility. So I would recommend Pakistan should think about it. We are here to collaborate. I spent 30 years in Silicon Valley in manufacturing and business development. We definitely can play a role and help guide local Pakistani talent and Pakistani industries to see how can we grow together. Thank you very much.